Let me show you how to check warranty data in OPPO A5 2020. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for your captcha protection. And click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your OPPO A5 2020. Then, if you want to check warranty data, you should choose Info and Country Check and click at Check OPPO Warranty in Country. Wait a short while until full specification is provided. There you go. Here you can check the warranty period, and here whether the warranty is valid or no. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.